So, dude, what do you think's up with the motor?
I have no idea. Like, it's weird because I can start it and it's got oil pressure,
Right.
and then I let it run for like no more than 5 minutes, and dude, it goes down to like 0 oil pressure. So I don't know what the heck's wrong with it, but I got a plan.
All right.
A buddy of mine goes to school in St. Louis and they build motors. Well, there's a junkyard up there that donates 5.3s to that school.
Okay.
Then they build them. Well, they got like 5 or 6 motors up there. I think they got 3 left. These motors are all built exactly the same, boarded out. So now it's a 5.7.
Okay.
It's got a stage 3 BTR cam in it.
Nice. Those sound good.
Oh yeah, dude. They sound wicked. So then it's got the heads are ported and polished. Crank's been polished.
Nice.
Yeah, aftermarket rods, like JEC pistons.
This thing's built.
ARP head bolts.
This thing's built. Then,
yeah, they dynoed it. It dynoed like 502.
That's awesome.
And it's built for boost.
Oh.
So,
we know we're doing that.
dude, you put 20 pounds of boost from that turbo in
Heck
there.
yeah.
Oh, MG. This is going to be bad to the bone. But today, we need to get my motor out.
All right.
And another thing, too, I think I'm going to change the radiator because remember, it was kind of running warm on us.
Yeah.
I put a water pump, a thermostat, that didn't fix it, so something's up with the radiator, I guess. So
yeah, we'll pull that. I mean, we're there. We might as well pull
exactly, and it'll give us more room. So today we need to get that stuff pulled out.
Right.
Then I'm going to have him get all the information on that motor, and we might take a road trip to St. Louis and get it.
Sweet.
And then I got to put my intake and all that on, which ain't going to work. My intakes are the square ported heads, and that's the Cathedral. But anyway, I'm going to have to get an intake.
Okay.
And then everything else we'll put from my motor on there, and then we'll slap that baby in.
Let's do it.
What do you think?
I'm up
All
for
right,
it.
so let's go to the store right now, get our junk, come back home, we'll start pulling the motor.
Sounds good.
Let's do it, brother.
So what are we doing now?
All right, we got it. My neighbor just called. He's got one of them LS engine pullers. It's real cool, dude. It goes in there and it's got adjustable deals. Like, you can get on the cherry. Ooh.
Hello.
Well, you get on the cherry picker. You can adjust it like a little bit up or a little bit down. Works freaking perfect. I just hope Dad don't know that we took his Ranger.
Yeah, I'm sure he heard it.
Heck yeah.
Hey, gotta get Hoyt in here.
Hey, boy! You can't go nowhere on this Ranger without him wanting to go. I'm not kidding.
He loves it.
Oh, there's a car behind us.
All right. See ya.
To get that thing to work, we're going to have to pull the manifolds, and I'm hoping we can pull the manifold with the turbo still in there.
Yeah,
I'm hoping.
We'll try it.
All right, dude. Let's pull the plugs out of the way, then we'll start pulling the manifolds, all right?
Sounds good, dude.
All right.
Okay, so you'll notice there's a part where the camera falls down. We lost the footage.
That's because we're awesome cameramen.
Yeah, and there's a part though that you didn't see is when the motor was on the cherry picker.
They didn't get that?
No.
Oh, you idiot!
The camera fell over.
Oh, I remember that.
But it fell. We had to grab it.
It's hard to remember because it was 3 months ago.
It's been a while. But we grabbed it as it was falling.
Yeah.
And barely caught it.
It
honestly.
seriously almost hit the ground. There was 3 of us that barely caught it.
Yeah.
But show them what we found, dude.
We should have let it hit the ground.
Yeah. This motor ran about 3 hours. We got a busted piston here, a busted piston there, ate up the heads real good, and then there's some high dollar heads too, Rob.
Yeah.
So anyway, we spent a bunch of money and put this motor in and ran it, what, 3 hours tops? I mean, seriously, had a lot of fun in 3 hours.
Awesome in 3 hours.
Anyway, so now we're got all the parts we need off this, and we're putting this bad boy in there. Oh, hallelujah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, baby.
So you're gonna tune in for the next video. You're gonna see us put all this on.
Yeah,
Get it back
dude.
in the truck.
Yeah, baby.
Why don't you go ahead and subscribe, get some more of that Bird Turd Silverado content.
Oh, yeah. Duh.